Good morning everyone. Today I am Naveen Yadav from Suraj School. Today I will explain about coal and petroleum. So what are coal and petroleum? Coal and petroleum are resources. So first of all we will learn what are resources. Anything from which we get some things are known as resources. Anything that we get something from them is known as resources. Like from pond or river we get water. So water, river and pond are resources. Okay, resources are two types. First of all, natural. Second one is man-made. So coal and petroleum are natural resources. So will discuss about natural resources. Natural resources are we get from nature, and there are many types like soil, water, oceans, air. These are all natural resources. Coal, petroleum, these are also natural resources. Resources can we divide the natural resources in two types. First, renewable. Second, non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those resources which get renewed about some time, like in days or months, or they cannot be get exhausted. These are renewable resources. Like air cannot get exhausted, so it is a renewable resource. Like water, when we use water it get replaced, it is a renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are those resources which get exhausted and we have to wait many more times to get them replaced. Like groundwater. Groundwater is a non-renewable resources because if it get exhausted, it take many times to get replaced. Okay, so coal and petroleum are also non-renewable resources because they made in millions of years. If they get exhausted, they take millions of years to be get replaced. Okay, hope you understand all about resources. And resources and renewable resources and non-renewable resources are divided into two types. Okay, that is which get exhausted and do not get exhausted. Okay, so now we will discuss about coal and petroleum. First of all, what are coal and petroleum? Coal and petroleum are known as fossil fuel. These are known as fossil fuels. What are fossil fuels? Fossils are remains of dead plant or animals. Okay, fossils are remains of dead plant or animal buried under the soil, and fuels are anything that we burn to get heat or energy at a reasonable cost. Okay, fossils are that remains of that plant or animal that buried under soil, and fuels are those substances that we burn to get heat or energy at a reasonable cost. Okay, so fossil fuels are remains of plants and animals which we use as fuel. These are fossil fuel. For example, coal, petroleum, natural gas. These are fossil fuels. Okay, fossil fuels are coal, petroleum, natural gas. Hope you understand this topic. Thank you.